Hi, I'm Carolyn Fisher. I'm an illustrator and author of books for kids. In my last video, I showed you how to make artist trading cards. Artist trading cards are the same size as hockey cards or Pokemon cards. You can put any kind of art on an artist trading card, and then you can start a collection or swap them with your friends. In my last video, I mailed a couple of my artist trading cards to my friend Q, and I challenged you to make your own artist trading cards and share a photo of them with me to win a prize. A bunch of you made artist trading cards. A big shout out goes to Arwen, Isla, Remy, Anik, Quinn, Kirby, Hannah, Q, Stella, Jack, Gia, Gus, Bianca, Darius, Carmela, Yuki, Emma, Olive, Ivy, Varlin, Tofu Cat, Henry, Felix, Olive, and all the kids and grown-ups who shared photos of their artist trading cards. The winner of the draw for the original artist trading card from me, plus a subscription to Uppercase Magazine, is Bianca. You don't need a contest to make artist trading cards. In fact, adult artists have been making and trading artist trading cards since 1997 all over the world, from Zurich, Switzerland to Calgary, Canada, and more. So keep on making and swapping those artist trading cards. Check out the Yabs TV YouTube channel for my next how-to video, plus more than 100 videos from other Alberta authors and artists. A big thank you to the Rosé Foundation and to the Young Alberta Book Society and Yabs TV. They connect authors, illustrators, and storytellers with kids. This has been Carolyn Fisher for the Young Alberta Book Society. Don't forget to keep on reading, writing, and drawing. Bye.